hundreds of chilies on your chili plant? If you do, watch this video till the end because it's going to be packed with information. Hello and assalamu alaikum. If you're new to our channel, I'm Akibullah.
I'm Ali Raja. Assalamu alaikum. If you're growing chilies in a colder climate such as the UK, it's best to start your chilies in January so that you can extend your growing season. And it's best to grow your chilies in a container rather than growing in the ground. Now, despite the bad weather we had in the UK, mashallah, my chili plants are doing really well. As you can see, this chili plant has produced plenty of chilies and it looks very healthy. The advantage of growing your chilies in a container, you could move your chili plant around the garden at different time of the day. If the weather turns cold, you can take your plant indoors or inside your greenhouse. It's the end of June and the weather in the UK has been absolutely terrible. I have never seen so much rain in the month of June for a very long time. It's too cold for the month of June and the chili plant don't do so well when the temperature falls below 20 degrees Celsius. So the advantage of growing your chilies in a container, when night temperature falls below 15 degrees Celsius, you must take your chili plant indoors or inside your greenhouse. Otherwise your chili plant will have all sorts of problems. You're not going to get a good harvest. Despite the bad weather, my chili plants are doing well because we've been working hard. Every night we've been taking our chili plants inside the house, and in the morning we've been bringing them out. When it rains heavily, we take them indoors or inside the greenhouse or take them under my pavilion so that we can protect them from the harsh wind, the rain and the cold weather.
To get a great harvest from your chili plants, you need to protect your plants from pests such as aphids and diseases. Aphid attacks are the most common problem for growing chilies, especially when you're growing your chilies indoors. Prevention is better than cure. To prevent pest and disease on your chili plants, you can spray a neem oil solution every 2 weeks, which is 100% organic, and you can make it at home. This is how you make neem oil solution. You would need a spray bottle. This spray bottle is 1 litre. Add 1 teaspoon of neem oil into 1 litre of water. Add 1 tablespoon of washing up liquid into the can and give it a good mix. And spray it on your plants every 2 weeks, and hopefully that would prevent pests and diseases on your plant. If your plants have already been attacked by pests, you would need something stronger. This is a chemical pesticide, which we have been using sometimes when we really need to. It says it protects your plant for up to 8 weeks, and if you already have pests on your plant, you can see results within an hour. If you would like to purchase this chemical pesticide and the neem oil, you could do so by using the link in the description down below.
Why is my chili flower dropping? I get asked this question all the time. Now, if you're growing chilies, this is one of the common problems that you'd have. Chili flower dropping. And there are a few reasons for your chili flowers to drop. One of the reasons is weather. Cold or hot weather, your chili flowers will drop. Excess watering, your chili flowers will drop. Or if you're not watering enough, your chili flowers will drop. So correct your watering issues. Water in such a way that you're not getting the soil wet, you're keeping it moist, but you need to keep them enough water so it doesn't dry up too much. So once you correct your watering issues, you'll find you're not going to lose as much flowers. Now, you cannot control weather. If it's too cold or too hot, your chili flowers will drop. Now, you could use, this is what I do to prevent flower dropping. I use epsom. I spray epsom salt on my chili plants regularly, every 2 to 3 weeks. You can mix a Epsom salt solution by adding 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt into 1 litre of watering can and shake it properly, mix it properly, and spray every 2 to 3 weeks.
If you have followed these simple steps that we have showed you, there's no reason for you not to get hundreds of chilies on your chili plant.
MashaAllah, our chili plants are doing fantastically well. This is one of the Trinidad scorpion, isn't it?
Yes.
It's doing really good. We probably have more than 100 chilies on this chili plant. Now, I know a lot of you don't, your chili plant hasn't, not producing yet, but if you go through those steps that we just talked about, simple steps, inshallah, your chili plant would produce hundreds of chilies. We just need good weather, and we need to prevent aphid attacks, and we need to prevent the flower dropping. And so use Epsom salt addition to your fertilizer. We use tomato feed once the chili plant start flowering, producing. It has more potassium in it. So if you put this down, Akib.
That was really heavy.
Yes. Can you pick up the other one? So as you can see, all our chili plants are producing chilies. It's getting a little dark here. I don't know whether you can see this, but mashallah, chili plants are producing chilies. We'll be harvesting our chilies soon. Well, actually, I've been harvesting a few chilies and eating them with my rice.
Tastes really nice.
It tastes really hot. And this one
starting to produce chilies.
Flowers and produce fruit. This is another chili plant producing chilies.
This is Black Morich.
Krishna chilies, yes, so they're doing pretty well. Akib, I think I would take this slightly back. We don't want to be, that's it. Can you, oh, this is a nice chili. I like that. That looks really nice. Some of them we planted into the ground. They're not doing so well. They're not doing too good. I think they grow well in a container. So this is another example. We're growing them, some of them into the ground. And as you can see, they're not doing too well. The containers chili plants are doing much better than the one are planted into the ground.
I really hope this video was helpful. Good luck with your chili growing, and I hope you get hundreds of chilies from your chili plants. If you enjoy watching our videos, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and please don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family. As you know, sharing is caring. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, do something amazing and hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified every time we upload. Stay safe, Assalamu alaikum, and until then, I'll see you in the next one.
Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.